Hello students, welcome to Vedic math classes. This is our lecture number 14 and in this lecture we are going to discuss about subtraction of 3 digit minus 3 digit, and this whole lecture you will get in English version. So students, let us start then. So in this lecture we are going to discuss the problems of subtraction of triple digit minus triple digit, that means 3 digit minus 3 digit subtraction. So I am writing here triple digit minus triple digit subtraction. So students, previously also we have seen some subtractions of double digit minus double digit also. So same thing we are going to discuss here. Let me take few examples. So if I take a number such as 842 and I want to subtract this number 269. Okay, so this number I want to subtract 269 from the number 842. Now what we are going to do, this is the first one, 8 minus 2, which is very easy one. We have all known 6, but our first priority should be the second pair. This is the second pair, and just have a look. By seeing the second pair you can easily tell that the second pair is nothing but a mismatch combination. So if this is a mismatch combination, students, so 8 minus 2 is equals to 6 we have known, but as the second pair is a mismatch combination, we have to subtract 1 from this 6 and we have to write 5. Now next thing also, in the second pair, just have a look. In the second pair, what is the complement of 6? So complement of 6 is, I am putting an arrow and writing here, complement of 6 is 4. So this 4 plus 4, the numerator 4, these two comes 8. Okay, so I am writing here, normally we should write here 8. But again we have to follow the next pair 2 minus 9. The next pair is also a mismatch combination. Okay, I am writing here mismatch combination. So what we have to do, we have to cut this 8 also, we have to write down here 7. Okay, and lastly what we have to do, what is the complement of 9? Complement of 9 is 1. So 1 plus numerator 2, so this will come like 3. So 573 will be your answer. So students, what we have to do, we have to focus first on the second pair, and then while calculating the second pair we have to focus on the next pair. Okay, so our primary focus should be always on the next pair. Okay, now let us solve one more. Okay, let me take one more example, that 731 minus 264. Okay, just have a look. See, so 7 minus 2. First one, 7 minus 2, all of us have known. 7 minus 2 is very easy one. I can easily write 5. But focus, our primary focus should be on the next pair. So 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 means it is nothing but a mismatch combination. So if this is a mismatch combination, students, what we should do? We should cut this 5, subtract 1 from this 5, and we should write 4. Now, what is the complement of 6? Complement of 6 is 4. Okay, because any number's complement we can find just to subtract that number from 10 and we will get the number. So 4 is the complement of 6. Okay, so 4 and this numerator 3 is here, so we have to add this 4 and 3. So 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. So I am writing here 7, but again the next pair, that means this pair, it is also a mismatch combination. Then what we have to do, we have to cut this 7 also and we have to write here 6. Okay, and lastly, what is the complement of 4? Complement of 4 is 6. So 6 plus 1, 7. So finally 467 will be our answer. Okay. Okay, let us take one more example, that 523 and 156. Now this subtraction we do internally, students. Okay, that's see, 5 minus 1 is equals to what? 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. But just follow the next pair. Next pair means this one is a mismatch combination. So if the next pair is a mismatch combination, definitely we have to write here 3 only. Okay, so I am writing here 3. Now what is the complement of 5? Complement of 5, here this pair we are talking, complement of 5 is 5. Okay, so 5 plus this 2, 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, but again we have to follow the next pair. So next pair is also a mismatch combination. So instead of 7, students, we have to write here 6. And then lastly, what is the complement of 6? Complement of 6 is 4. So 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. That means 367 will be your answer. Now students, just like this sum, okay, just like this one, all the, you can say, problems or subtraction or addition, whatever you are doing, you have to do internally. Okay, we are not going to write all these things because we have to do it quickly, but with 100% accuracy. Okay. Okay, so let us do one more example, that if I take, okay, let us take one example where combination of match and mismatch combinations are there. Just like, let me take, if I take 584 and 329. Okay, so if you follow this question, students, you will find out, see, 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3 is 2, and the next pair, okay, next pair means this pair, you can find out this is a match combination. So if the next pair is match combination, directly we can write here 2. And 8, you can see 8 minus 2, 8 minus 2 means 6. Okay, but just follow the next pair. This pair is a mismatch combination. Okay, so instead of 6, we are writing here 5. And what is the complement of 9? Lastly, complement of 9 is 1. So 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. So 255 will be our answer. Okay, so all the calculations, students, we do internally in our mind. Okay, so I hope, students, this triple digit minus triple digit concept is clear. Okay, so now let us do some worksheets. Okay, many worksheets are there. Let us find out the first one. That means this one. See, 764 minus 385. So first of all, we have to focus 7 minus 3, it is okay. But next pair we have to follow 6 minus 8. Definitely it is a mismatch combination. Okay, so it is a mismatch combination. So what we have to do? 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. So instead of 4, we are writing here 3. Okay. Now nextly, what is the complement of 8? Students, complement of 8 is, you can see here, we have to find the complement of 8. Complement of 8 is 2. So 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is 6 plus 2 is 8. But next pair is also a mismatch combination. Okay, it is also a mismatch combination. So instead of 8, we have to write here 7. And then what is the complement of 5? Complement of 5 is 5. 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. So 379 will be your answer. Okay, now let us follow one more example. Just have a look. 524 minus 275. Students, all the calculations we do internally. So 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 means 3. Okay, but next pair 2 minus 7 is a mismatch combination. So instead of 3, we are writing here 2. Now what is the complement of 7? Complement of 7 is 3. So 3 plus 2 is 5. But again the next pair, you can see again this pair is a mismatch combination. So instead of 5, we are writing here 4. And what is the complement of 5, students? Complement of 5 is 5. So 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. So 249 will be our answer. Okay, so students, with this technique you can easily solve these worksheets. Okay, there are a lot many questions you can see here. Okay, and in this sheet also 12 questions are there. So just follow these questions. Okay, try to solve all the questions so that you can easily solve this subtraction less time with 100% accuracy. Okay, so that's all for today's video lecture, students. We will be meeting in our next video lecture with another topic of subtraction. Thank you everyone.